Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PepeSol token. Ticker symbol is PEPE. There's been a lot of other PEPE tokens before, but this is the new SOLANA version. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap and maybe CoinGecko as well. It's actually up 29.4% right now, doing very well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the PepeSol token. So like I said, ticker symbol is PEPE. So PepeSol.io is their official webpage. This token is on the SOLANA blockchain. According to their Sol scan, right now they have 6,461 holders. 6 decimal places on this token. Market cap right now is almost is a little bit over $500,000. Current supply of this token 997,923,140 tokens. So if you go to their webpage, they do have a full white paper listed over there. It says Pepe is building a decentralized ecosystem on the Solana blockchain. The project's primary purpose is to provide a fun and engaging community for Solana enthusiasts. The team behind Pepe is focused on building various utilities on the Solana network, such as a Solana token, 2022 standard decentralized exchange, as well as games like PePE. The native token of the project is called Pepe, a Solana SPL token that serves as the base currency for activities on the platform, like participating in games or trading on the decentralized exchange. The project's primary goal is to create a community of like-minded individuals who are excited about the Solana network and enjoy using it in a fun and engaging way. So this is a Solana token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or your Coinbase wallet, any decentralized wallet. For Solana, I use a Coin98 wallet. If you don't have a Coin98 wallet, I do have a referral code for that in the description box. You could check that out. But basically, you'd fund one of those wallets with Solana. Then you'd go into the dApps. You would find a decentralized app called RAYDIUM, and that's where this token is listed. And then you would trade your Solana for the PepeSol token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, their official webpage, white paper, or their Sol scan. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if there's taxes here, but we'll go over that here in a second. I don't see any taxes right off the bat here, but it says token distribution of this token. 40% of the tokens go to the liquidity pool. 30% of the tokens go to airdrop, farming, and staking. 5% goes to team, 15% development, and 10% marketing. So they have different links, different Sol scan links for the team tokens, central exchange development tokens, marketing, airdrops, and LP burning address that you could check out as well. Now, yeah, it doesn't say anything about taxes on here. So they have the swap, the farm, liquidity providing, trading, charts, rug checker, launchpad, minting, raffles, all sorts of games, all these things coming out and more in the future. So the innovation ecosystem of the Solana network brings a new level of excitement and engagement to the world of Solana blockchain. One of the utilities of Pepe is a decentralized exchange that adheres to the Solana Token 2022 standard. This DEX offers fast and low-cost trades, making it an ideal platform for trading various digital assets. The DEX is built on the latest technology and infrastructure of the Solana network, which provides the ability to handle many transactions per second and enables high-speed trading. The team is also exploring integrating other features, such as a limit or stop-loss order, margin trading, and lending and borrowing protocols. So PEPE also provides games built on the Solana blockchain and uses the PEPE token as the in-game currency. They're also going to launch NFTs, it says on here. You'll be able to mint new NFTs. Possibilities are endless. These games offer an entertaining and engaging way for users to interact with the Solana network and earn PEPE tokens. The team is also working on creating new games that leverage the latest blockchain technology and provide a unique gaming experience for users. But our biggest goal is to build a decentralized exchange that takes advantage of the latest 2022 token standard. It's going to have swapping, farming, liquidity, trading, charting features. Building a solid community around the project will also be the key focus of the PEPE team. The team actively engages with the community through social media channels, hosting events and competitions, and gathering feedback and suggestions to improve the platform. The goal is to create a solid and supportive community whose users are passionate about Solana and enjoy using and interacting with the network. So yeah, they go through all of their various features, their use cases basically on their paper here. You could check out their rug checker, their DEX, their launchpad, etc. It says like some things like the PEPE DAO is coming soon. Doesn't have details about that yet. Now they have the PEPE roadmap. It's actually pretty short on here. It says it's subject to change as well. So it says PEPE doesn't write much. The roadmap. So it says launch PEPE on Solana, trending on DEX tools, reach 500 holders. All those are checked off. Then they're going to come out with a game, make PEPE popular, make PEPE useful, builder PEPE, and then it says more PEPE, and then at the bottom of it, it is signed by PEPE himself. Then they have a disclaimer, some official links on here. They have a link tree, Twitter, Discord, Telegram, Bird Eye, all sorts of things on here. So their Twitter is at PepeOnSol, and they are verified on Twitter, 3,734 followers. You can check them out there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about PepeSol? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.